In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up slide numbers and footers in PowerPoint. Whether you're preparing for an important presentation or just want to organize your slides more effectively, adding these elements can make your deck appear more professional and easier to navigate. So, let's dive in. First, you'll need to launch PowerPoint on your desktop. If it's not already installed, you can download it from Microsoft's website or through your Microsoft 365 subscription. Once PowerPoint is up and running, you have two choices. You can open an existing presentation, or if you're starting from scratch, create a new one. Go ahead and add any pictures, tables, and other contents that you need for your presentation at this stage. Now, focus your attention on the ribbon at the top of the PowerPoint window and find the Insert tab. Once inside the Insert tab, look for the text group. Here, you'll see an option for header and footer. Click on it, and a dialog box will pop up showing various options. Within this dialog box, there's an important area labeled as Slide. Click on the Slide tab to bring up your next set of options. To introduce slide numbers, simply check the box labeled Slide Number. This will automatically number each slide in your presentation, making it easier to reference specific slides during your discussion. In addition to slide numbers, you might want to include custom information at the bottom of your slides. To do this, check the box labeled Footer and enter the text you wish to display in the provided field. This could be anything from your presentation title to a company motto or some relevant contact information. At times, you may want to keep your title slide clean and uncluttered. If that's the case, make sure to check the box labeled Don't Show on Title Slide. This will keep both your slide number and footer information from appearing on your opening slide, giving it a clean, professional look. If you're happy with these settings and want them applied to every slide throughout your presentation, click Apply to All. However, if you prefer to add these elements only to the slide you're currently working on, simply click Apply. Once these elements are applied, you have the flexibility to adjust them. Click on the placeholder text boxes for the slide number or footer to select them, and you can move, resize, or format them just like any other text box in PowerPoint. Finally, if you've been working in SlideMaster View to apply these changes, click the SlideMaster tab and select Close Master View to return to normal slide view. And there you have it. With just a few clicks, you can add a layer of professionalism and organization to your PowerPoint presentations. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your next presentation.